Will YouTube TV have the World Series? Yes, YouTube TV provides access to the World Series through its inclusion of the Fox network in its channel lineup. The World Series is traditionally broadcast on Fox, and YouTube TV subscribers can watch the games live. 1. YouTube TV's channel lineup. YouTube TV offers a comprehensive channel lineup that includes major networks such as ABC, CBS, NBC, and FOX. Since Fox holds the broadcasting rights for the World Series, YouTube TV subscribers can view the games live. 2. Availability of Fox on YouTube TV. While Fox is part of YouTube TV's standard offerings, its availability can vary based on your geographic location. It's advisable to check if Fox is accessible in your specific area by visiting YouTube TV's official website and entering your zip code. 3. Subscription details. To access the World Series on YouTube TV, you'll need an active subscription. YouTube TV offers a free trial period, allowing new users to explore the service before committing to a monthly plan. 4th, device compatibility. YouTube TV is compatible with various devices, including smart TVs, streaming devices, computers, smartphones, and tablets. This flexibility ensures you can watch the World Series on your preferred device. 5th, DVR feature. One of YouTube TV's notable features is its cloud-based DVR with unlimited storage. This allows subscribers to record live events like the World Series and watch them at a later time. 6th, alternative streaming services. If YouTube TV isn't suitable for you, other streaming platforms such as Hulu Plus Live TV, Fubo TV, and Sling TV also offer access to Fox, enabling viewers to watch the World Series live. In conclusion, YouTube TV is a viable option for watching the World Series, provided that Fox is available in your area. Its comprehensive channel lineup, device compatibility, and DVR capabilities make it a convenient choice for baseball fans.